Sometimes it happens that you have forgotten your username or password and you are unable to log into your site. Or maybe you remember your username, but you have forgotten your password and lost password is not working. One of the main reasons why the lost password is not working is because your site is not configured to use SMTP, and therefore all the emails sent out from your site will not be delivered. Therefore, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new admin user account using FTP. So if you're interested, then jump in. Okay, now I'm gonna log in and show you what happens on my site and what happens after I add the new user here. As you see, currently I have only one user, it's demo user, and the role of this user is administrator. Now I'm gonna add one more user. And I'm gonna show you two ways how to do that by using the FTP. First option, create a new file and give it a name. For example, I'm gonna give it the name add user, and the file extension is gonna be PHP. And now I'm gonna open it up with my text editor. Next, paste this code inside this file. The code snippets I show you in this tutorial, you can find them in the description of this video. So just paste the code here, and now a couple of things for you to point out. Those three lines here. Here add your own username, here add the password, and here add your email. After doing that, just save it and now log into your FTP. After that, just upload this file you created to the root folder of the site. As you see, I uploaded the add user PHP file here. Now go to your site and go to the address adduser.php. If everything goes well, then you'll see the notification that successfully created new admin user, and if I refresh the user page, there it is. Let's test it out whether it works. So the username is username and password is password for this site. And works like a charm. Now if you don't know how to use FTP and you have a hosting that uses cPanel, then log into your cPanel, open up the file manager, open up public HTML and upload your file here. You can do that by pressing this button. Also, you can create a new file here by clicking on this button here. One more important thing for you to point out. After creating a new user with this file, don't forget to delete this file. Therefore, go back to the FTP or cPanel, find this file and delete it. Now, if someone accesses this, then not found is shown. So this was the first option, how to add a new admin user by using FTP. Now I'm gonna show you another option, and this means that you have to go to the FTP or a cPanel, open up the W content, teams, and open up your team file. For example, Blocksy I have. Now find the functions PHP file. And next, paste this code here. Once again, you can find the link to the code snippet in the description of this video. Here goes a user, here goes a password, and here goes the email. Save it. Now let's imagine that we are logged out. We have a username, another user, and password, another password. So let's log in. And there we go. Go to the users and see what happens. We have another user here. Now after doing that, once again, delete this code and save it. If you would like to modify the file in the cPanel, then go to the cPanel, open up the file manager, open up public HTML, go to the WP content, teams, open up the team, find the functions PHP, click on it, click on edit, once more edit, paste the code here, click on save changes, log in, and after that delete the code and save changes. As you saw, it was really easy to add another user by using FTP. Therefore, if you find this tutorial helpful, then press thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you will be the first to be notified about new tutorials. But before you go, take a look at another video you see on the screen right now, because it's also full of helpful content. Meanwhile, take care.